When we gaze up at the night sky, we often focus on the planets, but there's so much more out there. Moons are the unsung heroes of our solar system. These celestial bodies orbit planets, creating a cosmic dance. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some are tiny, while others are larger than Mercury. They stabilize the orbits of their parent planets. They create tides and affect weather patterns. Some even have atmospheres and oceans of their own. Our solar system boasts over 200 known moons. Each one is unique and fascinating. Some have volcanic activity, others are covered in ice. A few even have the potential to harbor life. As we dive deeper into space exploration, moons become increasingly important. Let's explore some of the most intriguing moons out there. Europa is one of Jupiter's Galilean moons. It's slightly smaller than Earth's moon. But don't let its size fool you. Europa is one of the most fascinating objects in our solar system. Its surface is covered in smooth ice. Scientists believe Europa has a global ocean under its surface. This ocean could contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. The ice shell is estimated to be 10 to 15 miles thick. Beneath it, an ocean up to 60 miles deep might exist. Tidal forces from Jupiter cause the moon to flex. This flexing creates heat, which could keep the subsurface ocean liquid. The combination of water, heat and minerals makes Europa a prime candidate for life. Who knows what we might discover in those alien oceans? Titan is Saturn's largest moon. It's also the second largest moon in our solar system. Titan is so big that it's larger than the planet Mercury, but size isn't the only thing that makes Titan special. It's the only moon known to have a dense atmosphere. In fact, its atmosphere is thicker than Earth's. This atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, just like Earth's, but instead of oxygen, Titan's atmosphere contains methane and other hydrocarbons. Titan's surface is one of the most Earth-like in our solar system. It has rivers and lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Even if life doesn't exist there now, Titan could give us a glimpse of what early Earth was like. Enceladus is another of Saturn's moons. It's much smaller than Titan or Europa, but what it lacks in size it makes up for in activity. Enceladus is one of the most geologically active objects in our solar system. The most striking feature of Enceladus is its geysers. These massive plumes of water vapor and ice particles shoot out from cracks in the moon's south pole. These cracks are called tiger stripes because of their appearance. The geysers are so powerful that they contribute to one of Saturn's rings. These geysers are evidence of a subsurface ocean. Like Europa, Enceladus likely has a global ocean beneath its icy crust. The Cassini spacecraft flew through these plumes and analyzed their composition. The plumes contain organic compounds and minerals. The ocean of Enceladus appears to have hydrothermal activity. This could provide energy for potential life forms. All of this makes Enceladus another prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. It's a tiny moon with enormous potential. The moons we've explored, Europa, Titan, and Enceladus, are more than just interesting space objects. They represent some of our best chances of finding life beyond Earth. Each of these moons has qualities that make them potentially habitable. They have liquids, energy sources, and organic compounds. These are the key ingredients for life as we know it, but we need to be careful about our expectations. When we talk about potential life on these moons, we're not talking about little green men. We're looking for microbial life. Simple organisms that could survive in these harsh environments. Even finding a single-celled organism would be a monumental discovery. The search for life on these moons faces many challenges. We need to develop technologies to explore subsurface oceans, and we need to do all this without contaminating these pristine environments with Earth microbes. The possibility of finding life on these moons has profound implications. The exploration of these intriguing moons is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. Space agencies around the world are planning missions to these distant worlds. NASA's Europa Clipper mission is set to launch in the 2020s. It will study Europa's potential habitability. The European Space Agency is planning the JUICE mission to explore Jupiter's moons. These missions will use advanced technologies. They'll have radar to peer beneath icy surfaces. They'll have spectrometers to analyze chemical compositions. Some might even have landers or submarines to explore alien oceans. Each mission brings us closer to understanding these mysterious worlds. But exploration isn't just about satisfying scientific curiosity. These moons could play crucial roles in future space exploration. They could serve as refueling stations for deep space missions. Their resources could be used to support human colonies. The adventure is just beginning.